Hello student, welcome back to nice math Olympiad problem. In this problem we are solving this minus 19 into power n is equal to 19. We are finding the value of n. So we're starting our solution. As we know that minus 19 is equal to minus 1 multiplied by 19. So we write first minus 1 multiplied by 19 replaced this value, and this divided by n is equal to 19. In second, we use this formula a into b whole into power c is equal to a into power c into b into power c. Now this will be minus 1 into power n into 19 into power n is equal to 19. So in next step, according to Euler rule, identity, according to Euler's identity, E into I pi plus 1 is equal to 0. And this 1 move into this side, when E into I into pi is equal to minus 1. So turn back into our solution. Now we write E into I into pi whole into power n into 19 into power n is equal to 19. We opening the bracket, E into I into pi into n multiply by 19 into power n is equal to this 19. So in next step we are taking log on both sides. Now we will get ln into n, taking ln on both sides. Now ln into n into e into I into pi multiply by 19 into n is equal to ln 19. So in this next step we get L into n into a multiplied by p is equal to ln a plus ln b. So ln e into power I into pi into power n plus L into n into 19 into power n is equal to ln 19. So in next step, this I into pi according to this formula, ln m into p is equal to p ln m. So I into pi into n ln e plus n ln 19 is equal to ln 19. So in next step, write n into common, n into I into pi ln e plus ln 19 is equal to ln 19. In next step, n into I and pi 1 according to this formula. Ln e is also equal to 1 and plus ln 19 is equal to ln 19. Now we use n into I into pi into 1 plus ln 19 is equal to ln 19. This same in next step we get n into I into pi plus ln 9 is equal to ln 9. Divide both sides by this value. Divide I into pi plus ln 19 divide I into pi plus ln 19. This cut by this remains n is equal to ln 19 divided by I into pi plus ln 19, and this is our final answer of this mathematical problem. Hope you will understand. And our value of n is ln 19 divided by I into pi plus ln 19, and this is very simple method to solve this Olympiad problem. If you have any question or solution, please write in comment box. Goodbye.